In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved usernames and passwords on Google Chrome. Managing your passwords can be a daunting task, but thankfully, Google Chrome makes it easier by securely storing them for you. Let's walk through the steps one by one so you can effortlessly access your saved login information whenever you need it. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's up and running, look at the top right corner of the window. Do you see the three vertical dots? This is the More icon, and it's your gateway to a range of options. Click on those three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now that you have the menu open, the next step is to select Settings. This will take you to a new page, where you can adjust all sorts of configurations for your Chrome browsing experience. We're particularly interested in the sidebar on the left. From the sidebar, find and click on Autofill and Passwords. This section serves as the hub for all things related to automatic form filling and password management on Chrome. Once there, you'll see the option for Google Password Manager. Click on it to access the treasure trove of saved credentials. Upon entering the Google Password Manager, you'll be greeted by a list of all the websites where Chrome has saved your login details. If you're looking for a particular site, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're after. Once you've located the specific site whose credentials you want to view, click on it. At this point, Google may want to make sure it's really you trying to access this sensitive information. You might be asked to verify your identity by entering your computer password or using a fingerprint if your device supports it. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll see strings of dots indicating your saved password next to your username. To reveal your hidden password, click on the eye icon next to the password field. Voila, your password is now visible. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've accessed your saved usernames and passwords on Google Chrome. This feature not only saves you time, but also ensures that you have your login details handy whenever you need them. Remember, while it's convenient, you should always be cautious and ensure your device is secure to prevent unauthorized access to your sensitive information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.